Here are some well-regarded recruitment agencies in Delhi specializing in Gulf job placements. 1. ABC Consultants, known for extensive experience in recruitment across industries. They have a dedicated team for Middle East job placements. Though Jerry Varghese Global, a reputed agency with a strong network for Gulf placements, they work with companies in sectors like construction, healthcare, and engineering. Teen Alliance Recruitment Agency, they provide staffing services to Gulf countries and have a strong focus on finding skilled talent for technical and management roles. 4. International Trade Links, ITL, known for Middle East recruitment, they cater to various sectors like construction, oil and gas, and healthcare. 5. Dynamic Staffing Services, DSS, a popular choice for Gulf recruitment. They specialize in sectors like oil and gas, construction, and hospitality. 6. Al-Hind Foreign Service Agency, with a specialization in Gulf placements, they provide opportunities mainly in healthcare, engineering, and construction sectors. Ensure to verify each agency's credentials and reviews to confirm authenticity before applying or proceeding with them.